Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News, folks. We've got a deal that's so hot. It's like Apple just pulled off the ultimate upgrade, and we're not talking about your new iPhone. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is on the market, and trust us, you won't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. Apple just dropped the latest addition to its iconic smartwatch lineup, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. With its sleek design, improved performance, and some seriously impressive health features, this watch is a must-have for any fitness enthusiast or tech aficionado. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 boasts up to 36 hours of battery life, making it perfect for those long hikes or marathons. But what really sets this watch apart is its cutting-edge technology. It comes equipped with a new S8 processor, which provides faster performance and more efficient power management. And if you're into fitness tracking, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 has got you covered with built-in GPS, altimeter, and barometer. It's like having your own personal trainer in your wrist. But here's the best part. Apple is offering a special deal that's too good to pass up. If you hurry, you can snag this incredible watch at an unmatched price. We're talking thousands of dollars off the regular retail price. That's right, folks, Watchwire News has got the inside scoop on this unbeatable offer. So don't wait any longer, Apple fans. Head on over to your favorite retailer and get ready to upgrade your wrist game with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Trust us, you won't regret it. That's all for today from Watchwire News. Stay tuned for more breaking tech news, and we'll see you next time.